Good morning, parents. Good morning, kids. How are you doing today? Well, I'm doing great, thank you. And today lesson will be phonics. Alright, so first of all, before we start our lesson, I would like you guys to get your pupils book, your notebook, your pencil, your eraser, and your sharpener ready. Okay, I'll wait for you. Thank you. Okay, guys, so please open your pupils book on page 82. Yes, phonics. Can you see? All right. Can you see Mr. Biffo here? Look and listen. Okay, here we are going to learn the ch sound. Can you say after teacher? Ch sound. Yes. C-H ch sound. Alright? Okay. Here, what can you see? Ch, ip, chip. Ch, ip, chip. One more time. Ch, ip, chip. Very good. Now look and say ch, op, chop, ch, op, chop, ch, op, chop. Very good. Now let's see here. What can you see here? Ch, ip, chip, ch, ip, chip, ch, ip, chip. Right? Very good. Okay, here. What can you guys see here? Something very delicious, right? Okay. Ch. Ch. Yes or no? Lunch. Ch. Lunch. Here. Ch. Munch. Ch. Munch. Very good. So today we are learning the ch sound. Listen, read, and say. Okay, guys, are you ready? Let's go. Okay. Chop, chop, chips for lunch. Peas and carrots, munch, munch. One more time. Chop, chop, chips for lunch. Peas and carrots, munch, munch. Very good, guys. Okay, guys. Now I would like you to take your workbook. Alright? Okay. Alright, guys. So open your workbook on page 58. Okay. Can you see writing skills? This is your homework. Now remember, let's read this part first. There are flowers 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's correct. We have 4 flowers, but we have to write it in the correct sentences. Okay? So we can't say there are flowers 4, but we have to say there are 4 flowers. Okay? Very good. Now, finish. I'm sorry. Okay, look here. Finish the sentences. Read the sentences. What do we have up? Black, fast, funny, happy, 5, gray. Okay. Number 1. She is happy. Very good. Now you tick happy because you already use happy. You don't have to use it again. Okay. Number 2. It is what? What can you say here? It is fast. Yes or no? It looks like a sports car. Yes or no? Yes, this is a sports car. So it is fast. You tick fast. And you have to write here fast. Now let's see number 3. He is He is funny. Very good. Now let's see number 4. Yes. There are, what are these? There are 5 flowers. Very good. So you have to check up always, okay? You have to check the answer here. All the answers are here. There are 5 flowers. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Great job. Now let's see here. Number 5. They are birds. But what can we say? What can we write here? They are gray. Very good. They are gray birds. Right? Number 6. They are rabbits. They are black rabbits. Very good. Now here, write their sentences. Sky blue is the. You always start writing a sentence with a capital letter. Very good. So the sky is blue. So these sentences you remember we used to do the unscramble words, write the unscramble words in the correct sentences. So this is the same activity here. Okay, you have to write in the correct sentences. Frogs 2 are there. You have to write the correct one. Are they green? This is not the correct sentence. You have to give the correct sentence. Is there big fish? Is this correct? No, you have to write the correct sentences. It is an fish. Orange. Is this the correct sentence? No, this is not the correct sentences. So you have to give me the correct sentences, okay? Alright guys, so this is the homework for today. Alright, now let's see one more homework. Alright guys, please open your book on page 61. Right? Alright, here you can see, look at the picture. Okay, here you can see the picture, right? You can understand what is happening in the picture. You can see everything in the picture. People are happy, there are noise, you can see gift, you can see happy faces, you can see cake, you can see balloons, you can see 2 boys, maybe they are brothers, and I think this is a birthday party. Yes or no? Because we have a big cake here. Okay, so what I would like you guys to do, complete the conversation with the words in the box. So let me read it for you first, okay? Yes, here. Okay. 8. We are all happy. Twins. Noisy. You. They are. Are they brothers? Do you know why do we say twins? Okay, twins are 2 babies that are born at the same time. That can be 2 boys or 2 girls, or 1 boy or 1 girl. Okay? When they are born at the same time, same day, they are called twins. And most of the time the twins are identical, means they are resemble same to same. Okay? Alright, now let's read. Birthday Sue. So, do you know how to start this one? Yes. Happy birthday, Sue. Thank? Yes. How are you? So you have to fill in the blank. You have to see the right answer is on top here. Okay? How are you? I am. Hooray! 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 You're You have to put the answer here. Oh, very. The correct answer. How old? The correct answer. And then we have here the correct answer. Starting letter always start with a capital letter. So it's very easy. You have to see which word start with a capital letter. You will find the correct answer. 4. Yes. Correct answer. 4. We are. Correct answer. So this is your homework for today. Okay, so today we study the ch sound, the ch sound, phonic sound with the homework. Okay guys, please do your homework and stay safe. Be a good boy and good girl. See you tomorrow. Bye.